In my last decluttering video, I organised my wardrobes and got rid of a bunch of clothes. So now it's time to declutter my room. My drawers are ridiculously cluttered. It is actually quite stressful because I can't find anything in my drawers. The bottom of my bed is chaotic. It's time to sort it out now. Like, what is this? Guys, what is that? And then what is that? Awful. Also, what is that? Awful. And then down the side of my bed, I can't even tell you what's going on. There's just a lot going on. I'm gonna start with this drawer. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Wish me luck. I think I'm just gonna start by pulling everything out that like needs to go in the bin or is out of date or anything. I've just got so much stuff and like loads of products that I'm not using because I can't see it. Sort out all of this stuff into piles of things I'm gonna put in the bathroom so my mom can use them as well, and stuff that I need, stuff I don't need. One down, you can actually see everything. One down, the rest of the room to go. There is my room finished. I was literally gonna quit I was gonna quit. I was like, you know what, I don't want to do this today, but I did it. I'm proud of myself. I feel like my hair's really cute. Do you like it? Did you even see? I don't know. But yeah, I'm very satisfied, especially with this. Just this one thing, let me show you. The fact that all my clips are there and they're all the same style, and oh my god, it's so satisfying. I don't think you understand. This is an organised mess, and I feel like my whole room is just an organised mess. At least I can see everything now, you know what I mean? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!